create a new project, press on the plus button. It's a pretty standard thing on the iPod Touch. The plus usually means to create new or to add something. Once you've come up with the new project, there are a lot of options on here. The most basic is to give a title, and that's all you really require at this stage. You'll then be taken to a page that looks like this, where you can add content. You can choose from photos from your camera roll, recording a sound if you have a microphone, imported music, which will be done via Wi-Fi or from iTunes, and by copying from your camera roll and pasting it in. You can also access global settings for the project, as you would have just previously seen, which allows you to set the transitions and things so that they're the same over the whole project. Once you're onto the edit clips, you've got some content in here. You can see them in the top there. You can press and drag on each clip to rearrange the order that they're in. The tools down the bottom you can see are explained in the ReelDirector guide provided by the developers on the web, and you can double tap on one of them to access zoom, transitions and duration for each image, so you can use Ken Burns effects so that your photos seem to move around or zoom in while they're on the screen. You can change how they fade in or fade out, or scroll in and scroll out, and also how long each image stays on the screen for. That's set from 1 second up to 20, but if you wish for a longer duration than 20 seconds, just copy and paste the image in again, and you can add it for another 1 or 20 seconds. Okay, finally, once you're complete, click on the render button and this will create a movie file. If you have a long movie, this one here says 3 minutes and 7 seconds. It could take half an hour sometimes to render. The rendering time can be very long. Once you've done that, you can export it by email if it's a very small file. So something around about 30 seconds you may be able to email. Just depends on the content and how much audio you have. Otherwise you export it to the camera roll and then input it into your computer.